Question number 1. The liver's functions are required for option A, thermoregulation, option B, osmoregulation, option C, homeostasis, option D, all above are correct. The right answer is option D. Reason and justification is because the liver is responsible for maintaining the balance of ions and their concentrations within our bodies. As a result, it is required for homeostasis, thermoregulation, and osmoregulation. Question number 2. During the catabolism of amino acids, when the amino group is released, the process is known as option A, deamination, option B, hydrolysis, option C, hydration, option D, ammunition. The right answer is option A, deamination. Reason and justification is because the amino group is removed during the breakdown of amino acids, usually through a reaction known as deamination. Question number 3. The only treatment for uremia is dialysis. Option A, dialysis, option B, lithotripsy, option C, lungs transplantation, option D, transplantation. The right answer is option D, transplantation. Reason and justification is because renal replacement therapy is the most effective treatment for uremia. Question number 4. This type of nephron is the most efficient at conserving body water. Option A, nephrons in the juxtamedullary region. Option B, cortical nephrons. Option C, both A and B are true. Option D, serotinal nephrons. The right answer is option A, nephrons in the juxtamedullary region. The juxtamedullary nephron's primary job is to concentrate or dilute urine. More water absorption by the vasa recta may result in more concentrated urine, whilst less water reabsorption may result in diluted urine. Question number 5. Which of the following is responsible for concentrated urine production? Option A, proximal tubule. Option B, cortical nephrons. Option C, distal tubule. Option D, juxtamedullary nephron. The right answer is option D, juxtamedullary nephron. Explanation. The production of concentrated urine is controlled by the juxtamedullary nephron. Question number 6. Even in the presence of ADH, which nephron segment is not permeable to water? Option A, collecting duct. Option B, the Henle loop's descending limb. Option C, ascending limb of Henle's loop. Option D, a combination of B and C. The right answer is option C, ascending limb of Henle's loop. Explanation. Option C is correct because the ascending limb of the Henle loop is water impermeable. Question number 7. The process of leaves falling, which assists the plant in getting rid of accumulated wastes, is referred to as option A, ebony, option B, make a sacrifice, option C, excretophore, option D, excretophore, assistance. The right answer is option C, excretophore. Answer C, explanation. Option C is correct because an excretophore is a plant cell that aids in the diffusion of waste matter from the body. Question number 8. The action of an enzyme promotes active sodium uptake. This enzyme's name is option A, an increase in adrenaline, option B, aldosterone, option C, cortisol, option D, antidiuretic. The right answer is option B, aldosterone. Explanation. Aldosterone increases sodium reabsorption from the filtrate into the circulation by regulating the expression and activity of the epithelial sodium channel, 𝐸. As a result, option B is correct. Question number 9. Dogs' respiratory tracts have specialized evaporative cooling. Option A, woofing. Option B, panting. Option C, licking. Option D, sighing. The right answer is option B, panting. In dogs exposed to heat and/or exercise, Panting is the primary method of evaporative cooling. Question number 10. Which claim about homeostasis is false? Option A. As a result, the internal environment's fluctuations are extremely limited in comparison to those of the external environment. Option B. Homeostatic activities are regulated by a specific control system. Option C. Despite large changes in the external environment, homeostatic mechanisms maintain a constant internal environment. Option D. All the preceding. The right answer is option C. Explanation. Despite large changes in the external environment, homeostatic mechanisms keep the internal environment stable. As a result, internal environment fluctuations are extremely limited in comparison to